everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel, Cleaning with Karrie. If you are new here to this channel, my name is Karrie. I am a wife and mom of two. I do stay at home and work full-time on my YouTube channels, this cleaning channel, and then I also have a DIY decor style related channel as well that is always linked below in case you like that type of content. But today's video is going to be a speed clean with me. I'm going to be running through the whole house, getting just whatever I can get done, whatever needs to be tackled. I am going to try my best. And I also did a really good mop on the floors, which was desperately needed. It's been a good minute since I kind of like lifted up the chairs, and really did a good mop. So I'm gonna do that today as well and just get this house back in order. So I hope you guys can clean along with me and let's get it done. All right, so at this point I'm in the kitchen, and that weird movement I was just doing, I was actually pulling the refrigerator out a little bit so that way the fridge door could open all the way, because sometimes it'll slide backwards and then the wall gets in the way. This house, the layout of this house was like really odd. Sorry, that's my dog, if you can hear her. Oh my gosh, she's making so much noise. Okay, that was my dog. She was in her kennel. Her name is Honey. She likes to go in there and lay down, but she was making her bed, and it's super loud. So anyway, my house is small, so I can't hide from noise. There's a lot of background noise in this house all the time. But anyway, when we first purchased this house, it had a really weird, kind of like a bar, but not really, right by the refrigerator, and we took that down and we added the brick wall and replaced the tile. That way the fridge door could open all the way, because when that bar was there, oh my gosh, that's how my refrigerator got dented. If you look at my fridge in like a video, you can see like a little dent. It's because I accidentally flung the door open and it smacked the bar. Yeah, and I cannot get the dent out. So if y'all have any suggestions on how to get a tiny little dent out of the door, please let me know. I want to say someone left me a suggestion a while back and I completely forgot what they said. I feel like they said use a plunger, but I don't know. I'm scared I'm going to make like a bigger dent. But I'm just going to go ahead and go through the pantry right now, just sorting through the snacks and stuff. And something I learned not too long ago was that emptying the boxes of snacks into individual canisters just does not work for us. So I usually have just this one basket that I try to keep stocked with snacks that are easy to grab. And then everything else we keep in the boxes, I usually just kind of peel off the cardboard so the kids could just reach in there and grab them out when they need a snack. And this is what works best for us. I know it's not the most aesthetically pleasing thing, but I'm all about function, and whatever just works, even if it doesn't look pretty.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the
While I was working on laundry today, instead of watching random videos on Instagram or on YouTube, I decided to look up some motivational videos, and I came across this YouTube channel. The actual video said, let me read it to you. It says, "It's time to get over it. Powerful motivational speech for success." The channel name is Motivational Hub. They have over 2.3 million subscribers, 8 million views on this video alone. And yeah, I don't know. I started listening to it, and a few things that he said that just really just spoke to me, and I really liked it. I didn't listen to the whole video because it was very long. It's 25 minutes long, maybe a little bit longer than that. But one of the things he said was, when life knocks you down, try to land on your back, because if you can look up, then you can get up. And I'm like, what? That is so powerful. I love that. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because, we all hit our times, our days where we're just not feeling motivated. We're kind of feeling I don't know, we could do more in life, or, like, what is my purpose type of thing. And every now and then we just need to hear some motivational speeches and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed hearing that. But I'm going to tackle the dishes really quick, get the kitchen finished up, and then we're going to move on to another area of this house.
Maybe I was blind, known you forever while I tried to find someone that could be my great love. Right in front of me, I didn't realize you were my dream, so you took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think we were destined to be, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah, wanna give you every part of me. I can't believe this is reality, and now you're laying next to me. Everything feels like oh yeah. I'm just curious, when did you know you had feelings for me? Maybe somehow we've always known that we have chemistry, but always chasing after someone else. So this took me by surprise. Oh yeah, even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think.
All right, so after getting the sink all cleaned out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean off the stove, and I noticed there was a mosquito on the wall, and I tried to get it, but I completely missed. But I'm taking the Sprayway multi-purpose cleaner. If y'all can see that right there on the can, I got it for $1 at Lowe's. I think I mentioned that already in a previous video. I can't remember if I did or not, but anyway, I love it. Thank you all for mentioning it to me. I would have never known that they had a multi-purpose cleaner had it not been for you guys, so thank you so much for that. I saw it from like across the aisle. I was like, oh my gosh, is that clearance? And sure enough, it was on sale, so I was really excited about that. But I'm going to use that to clean off the countertops and wipe behind like the coffee pot area. That got so dirty. I didn't even realize how bad it was until I moved the coffee pot, and then I was kind of like, oh, when was the last time I did that? It's probably way too long. But anyway, I'm also going to go ahead and use that cleaner to clean off the countertops as well. At this point, my son had just woke up from that morning. Well, he was up early, and then I say accidentally because there's no way he did it on purpose. He fell back asleep, and I let him sleep in. That's why I was cleaning, and that's why y'all didn't see him for a while. But now that he's up, I can go ahead and tackle my room as well. So once I'm finished in the living room, I'll move in there and make my bed. One thing that I did want to make a point to do today was clean out the TV stand. So right here behind these two doors, this is like a catch-all area. There is fall home decor in there. I don't even know why that's still there, and just random things. So I just quickly wanted to go through this, reorganize it, and only keep the things in here that belong in here. We don't have a whole lot of storage space in our house, so I kind of got to get creative, and a lot of times I will just hide things behind doors. Like I mentioned earlier, my son was sleeping in this morning, and he fell back asleep in my bed, so I couldn't put the clothes away or anything because he is such a light sleeper. He will wake up if I even touch the door, so I was trying to be so quiet this morning. But I'm going to go ahead and get this all these clothes put away, and then I'm going to vacuum my floors.
once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.
Alright, so I'm just going to use this basket to carry everything at once out to my shed that belongs where my home decor goes. So, there's that. I got some more stuff over here too. Once I got all of that stuff taken out to the shed where it belongs, I'm going to move the table over and we are going to clean out underneath the dog's kennel. So our dog, Honey, she's the black lab and pit mix. She sheds so bad. Oh my gosh, it's horrible. And like she'll like rub her back up against the side of the kennel to scratch her back. And so all of her hair kind of falls behind it. So we're going to use the vacuum and get that all cleaned up. And then we're going to vacuum all the floors and get those mopped.
Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
Y'all tell me why dogs do this. They literally stand right in the way. Zoe's the worst, especially when I'm vacuuming. It's almost like she wants me to chase her with it. And I have done that, like we've played around with the vacuum before. So I think she just like wants to play, so she'll just stand there and wait. I don't know, it's just funny to me. Like look at her. She's like so confused of like what I'm doing. I just think it's so funny. So while I was vacuuming the floors, Caden was building a little tower and he asked me not to knock it over. So I was like, okay, well, I'll just work around it. And then I knocked it down, you guys. I felt so bad. So I was like, I gotta help him rebuild this thing. So in just a second, I'm going to help him fix it back up because he did ask me so nicely. And then the cord kind of like wrapped around it. It was a complete mom fail. And I felt so bad. So I got down here and I helped him put it back together, but it took me a minute because I couldn't remember how he had it, and I kept making him fall. It looks a lot easier than it is. But anyway, I got his little tower built, and then I mopped around it and we cleaned the entire house around it and it did not fall. And then as soon as I was done cleaning, Caden brought in his like little scooter that he got for Christmas, and he came around the couch real fast and forgot that it was there and couldn't slow down, and he plowed it down. So that was like a whole nother thing. I was like, we'll just have to rebuild it later because he was trying to save it and show it to Dad. So I felt bad. But now I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the kids' rooms. I'm not doing like any crazy cleaning in here. I mentioned this in a previous video, but my kids are responsible for cleaning their rooms now, and they do a really, really good job at it. I just have to every now and then come in here and do a deep clean or vacuum the floors. But as far as like, you know, cleaning their rooms every day, I no longer have to do that. So I'm very proud of them for doing a good job at keeping up with their rooms.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you,
Take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low-key. Got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto your taste. It's really a bad reception out there, where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more?
Alright, so I'm mopping the floors using my O-Cedar spin mop, and for the cleaner, I did the Arm & Hammer powdered laundry detergent. So instead of using the Tide powdered detergent, I like to use the Arm & Hammer because I'm not sensitive to it, and I also like the way it smells better. So I use that and a splash of bleach. I'm not really sure of measurements. I don't really measure. I just kind of pour and go, but that's what I use for the floors. And then on a day-to-day basis, I do use my Bissell Crosswave. It's a vacuum and a mop in one, and it is amazing. It helps me keep up with the floors. I use it every single day, so I still recommend that if you are, wanting to spend a little bit of money on a good vacuum mop. I really do like it a lot, and I'll have it linked below along with this O-Cedar spin mop.
Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up, but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you.
Alright, so that's going to be it for this cleaning video. I hope it brought you lots of motivation. It does feel so good to have a nice clean house before the weekend hits, and that way I can just chill and not worry about doing anything, which will be really nice. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any future uploads, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye!